Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this morning will be the method on how to determine if our battery is good or bad, or will it still be usable if we try to recharge it again. This battery here, I tap my multi-tester. The output voltage is 9.07 volts. And at the same time, I tap this battery tester. And the battery tester, the bad light comes out, but it says on the blue side, it could be recharged. So this battery is not yet dead, because the terminal voltage is 9.06 volts. Because sometimes tester, if the voltage is less than 12 volts, the tester says it's bad. But just in case we recharge this again, and we'll try to reinsert again the tester, it might go to the so-called good condition. So for this one, I don't want to throw this battery, even though this battery tester says it is bad, because when I measured the voltage, it's 9.06 volts. I haven't used this battery for a long time, so of course it loses some charge, because sometimes if the battery is not being used, some of the charge is actually lost. So what I will do is that after this testing by using the battery tester, that it says bad, but since I connected my multi-tester on the DC voltage, it's 9.07 volts. It's not hopeless that I could revive this battery. Maybe I'll just use the so-called slow charging process, okay, to revive this battery. Revive meaning some of the chemicals maybe to convert it back to the charging condition. There are some electrolytes inside, because if a battery is worn out or used, this electrolyte sometimes is being changed to another type of a chemical, and we must have to reverse that process for the battery to be used again. And we could do that by recharging. I will try to charge this one maybe for 1 hour, and we will try to see if the battery will have a voltage greater than 12 volts. If it goes back to 12 volts, the battery, like on this tester, see, it could be recharged or retested again after charging. But the main thing here, the bad light LED is actually lighted. So if you try to follow this one, you control your battery, but to be sure that the battery is still usable, try to measure the output voltage. And since the output voltage is actually 9 volts, this is not so hard to make this voltage output go to 12 volts by a simple low charging process. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I presented is the voltage checking by using a battery tester, but at the same time I use my multi-tester to measure its voltage, and since the voltage is not far from 12 volts, this battery could still be revived. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles.